Fellow people of the Southern Cameroon's territory, citizens of Ambazonia, una welcome for this No Koni Talk Show, an advocacy platform where they advocate for the independence of the Southern Cameroon, with the push forward for policies them and ways them for effectively prosecute the liberation war for Ambazonian independence. This one is a show where they do critical thinking, critical analysis for the Ambazonian revolution. We do public exposure for make sure so we hold truth for power, for make sure so we leader them where they don't step forward for a liberation movement. The thing the way they promise and for the general public of Ambazonia, na exactly thing the way they fit deliver them. We do the investigation them for make sure say make will not be blindsided for any small side, and for make sure say meetings that the work are smooth for the Ambazonia people. When I welcome for the No Koni Talk Show, I want to apologize due to my duty them as a defense chief deputy for inside the Savannah states. We get less and less time for come online, but the good news now say we dedicate that time for work hand in hand with our general and our ground zero leadership, the leadership of General Efang and the other generals across our territory for prosecute the war, for effective coordination, and also for make sure that the policy will be set forth by the AGOFC and its chairman, our liberation leader, Dr. Cho Ayaba, is implemented to the fullest. So once more, I want to welcome all man we don't join this house. And if you don't join this house as we talk, you'll be one of the most smartest Ambazonians, because we'll be very proud for our viewership. So we'll get one of the most smartest people in Ambazonia, whether they watch we. As usual, our show, it is start. We need to wait for people to meet and come, because we know say the essence now, so we leave behind a footprint where any man fit come, he can watch and back, but see where to will talk, and the person go fit follow him up, if he rewind him, if he go before he come for back. So we know they take time to wait for get 1,000 viewers them. But with the capitalize for the 1% Ambazonia, the way they listen for we, those loyal followers and where they get more influence rather than the crowd. We want the quality, and if you watch me right now, you'll be privileged for me amongst the Capo Daniels crowd. Welcome everybody. I will take time very soon for salute all now, for welcome all now for this platform. But first, we will take time for sing our national anthem as we do usually. After we sing our national anthem, we will join, we will go for some side. Today I get a very special music where they come from the state, the great state of Boyo, from Boom County or Boom District, whatever you call them. When I know say the whole logic for the AGOFC for turn up for say, may we call it as it is, as the various states as it is for our national flag. Now because say people they need to get that idea for their mind, say we'll see them for a liberation phase of our independence. Me people that not begin fees would already get government, would not begin the copy and paste Nigerian system, but we'll give a leave room for our constitutional development when we go reach for Boya. Once more, ladies and gentlemen, the good people of Southern Cameroon's Ambazonians, una welcome for this platform. Na me una host Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong, una Ambazonian FBI. All man be welcome for house. Una place them is day for our general them for ground zero. Accord una cafe. General Efang, General Ebube, General Hassan, General Kapora. I salute una all. Boss Daf, I salute you, and all our generals for inside the Atlantic states and the Savannah states. I salute una, including Bakassi. So, ladies and gentlemen, Wusa una day, any place una day, na time for we for sing our national anthem. Make una turn up fine, una stand up at Talat for salute our flag, our symbol of our nation, where it remind we of who we are as a people. It remind we of our value. Those words in the national anthem, it be a special thing. And when I see behind me today, we will also pay tribute for Mola Litumbe, Mola Njo Litumbe. Papa Njumba no be married. Njumba no be married. He don't go ahead of us, and he don't go meet our Jongu Foncha. They go to pray, say we will succeed for our quest for liberation, so that they will be honored honorably for our country forever. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I join me, I go play an audio for our national anthem. You go to sing, play say they will not cut cafe for our anthem, so that may go begin to go before. So now join me for that one now. I will play and make it come up now. We can't up now in a while. Okay. We the Ambazonians pledge our loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us our freedom. Allegiance to the hero who bought this land with their blood. From glory to glory we rise to never to fall. Here in a nation flowing with milk and honey. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. So, ladies and gentlemen, all will be welcome for another episode of the No Corny Talk Show. Now, time this for we for salute all man before we get for our opening statement and then our presentation for the day today. Now, the first day for the first month for the month of June 2020, and now the month where we expect say the fate for the coronavirus it go down begin pass, the worst go down pass by now. Places then go down begin go back for normal. So we want thank all man for come today to pay tribute for our Iroko for the back with the land. Molanjo Litumbe. Njumba no be married. Papa Njumba no be married. He don't go ahead of we for go open door for Ambazonian independence. Just like Moses, he don't stand up for hilltop. He don't see Ambazonia rising and he don't go before us. As God be done promise, we will enter our land just like the children of Israel. They be enter for the promised land. So make we be now the people the way they stand. That 1% of people the way they be stand up with Moses when he be come back. Then give good report about the prospect, about the attainability them for we for enter inside our promised land. So now time for we for salute all the Kunta Kinte 360s and all the viewers and for the No Corny Talk Show. I want to take this moment for thank and salute una all. Julius Stefan, you be welcome. Emmanuel Kukwa, you be welcome. I go play some fine song where come up from my own village. Now my own cousin, he don't sing this song, so maybe gonna try check a YouTube. Gonna try supporting a young citizen for our country. We don't play this powerful music, and the music it been an act of entertainment because it's there for Ground Zero. But nevertheless, me go support ye. Me gonna check a YouTube. I go play the music. Make it play. Make all money enjoy them. While on the enjoy them, when I go try check ye to the background so that on a fit support what way it do. Now the music this in name na Kite Z Kite. So who start that music there? It look like that music. I never put that music for inside my list for music them. Oh, I don't see me day for day. He did it. Okay. I will put them for my back so that we go the feast alone during this period for time. Welcome all now today. Mambo Frida. I'll give you your own birthday gift today. Happy birthday, Mama. Togo Ambe, welcome. And Mami Fine Pikin. Angela, welcome to house. I will put my phone so that I can stop this.
Kids them asking.
Okay.
Many them disappearing.
And Florence,
Unity we minimizing. We fighting. They talking blaming.
Welcome as well. Welcome.
Streets down. Many people them affected. Many dreams down. Why you taking love that we respected?
welcome. All my welcome. Smith Bukila, una welcome. We get a lot of things them for them today. Get apart from the two people, Mulan Joe Lusume, get report from the meeting, the first war council with Ahulam. I will give you an update about that one. And the massacre of Buya, the Donga Mountain, Teji, and Maurice Kamto. I now promise you about Maurice Kamto. Elias, I will break it down. All my people welcome to House Street. Gloria, welcome. Emilia, Itu, welcome. Princess Jam, you are welcome. Well, you are welcome. Everybody is welcome to be in the house. Tengi Mupinzi, welcome. Oh, now welcome at Atuna salute. Tengi Atui salute. Atui salute, my brother. Atuna Ona salute. Baye Atui salute. Commander Baye Atui salute for the Atlantic. For staff Atui salute. Still a Mambo. I salute you. Commander, I know we call you ex-exco, Commander Bukila salute you. Deputy SG Divine Costa Africa Atui salute. Headlem Praising people biggest salute you. Dealers Ogui Brigade Atui salute. Passman Atui salute. Weber Atui salute. Oh, na Joda salute. A salute na from Mamfe, from Gokitunja, from Meme. I give you a salute from the great city of Victoria. Joda salute. Oh, man, welcome, find Michael. Welcome today. You still welcome. People in the UAE, you are welcome.
Divide and we fall down.
Our music is round down. We will get ready to get inside our presentation today. Roger Mba, welcome. Nujam Kaspa, welcome. I want to be highly welcome today. I want to be highly welcome for this platform, this critical thinker, their platform, and I've been on a host, Comrade Capo Daniel, the defense. My voice. Jackie, welcome. And Ona, welcome for Ground Zero. I welcome Una for IGP Kamzem. I welcome Una Saluduna. Ona there for Nigeria. Ona run enter for Nigeria, le refugee. For Ghana, Saluduna for Congo, South Africa. Those are for Europe. Those for Cyprus in particular. We don't see the living condition of Cyprus. And we don't pass the complaints them and the video footages for the Hague of Sea Humanitarian Office and their Human Rights Office, meet them follow up for discuss with our international partners for see way to way them fit do am for una. I want to salute all our patriots the way they for inside America, for Minnesota in particular, for St. Paul, we see how the riots in the go day for the black man where the police a killing for America put foot for a head to take the person he die. Now a very, very sad moment for we as black people them. And we sympathize with the blacks and when they go through these difficulties and this racism where they for America. And we'll be very happy to see how the population that wake up and we'll pray, say me the people that for America, me them bring equality and justice so that they feel live in peace. And they also want to use this opportunity for talk say the biggest thing where if it change the life of African Americans and for America, now say me the hell we for Africa, make we give freedom, dignity, because if you look the case for Chinese them, they respect Chinese and today for America. Babes, are they online here? If you now look the example for the people then for China, the Chinese people then they nobody respect them. I remember the first time I travel, Where I travel, the first time I travel, we travel kind of America, then turn me back for gate. They don't give me entry for America, and then from there I travel. I go for France. When I be there for France, I go for immigration for France. Then discriminate against Chinese them in front of me. They ask Chinese them, they wake up for cheer. Match don't because I be the talks more French. For they be ready to treat Chinese people them with a lot of disdain. But the rise of China, their economic power, their prosperity, the fact that they get something back home, it don't make and they don't gain respect internationally. Every time now people they see Chinese people them, they treat them with respect because they don't develop. So we call on African Americans and say me they not forget their home. Say now for Africa we black life go really matter. Make una think about during the time for the genocide we will go through for Africa, for Rwanda. When I think about the people that they die for Nigeria, when I think about the people that they die for all across Africa, for Ambazonia, for Boko Haram, for Boko Haram for Nigeria. When I wait I want to make this video me in front a little bit here. Maybe they look the people that they die for inside Africa, and the little input way they come up from African Americans and over small. So for me, my position what I make up for my Pan-African platform now for advise the Americans and say, me then invest for Africa, me then make Africa develop, me then join hand like the Jewish people that they do for lobby the American government, me then defend human rights and freedom for Amazonia, for Africa. That way they go get place where the feel run can hide their head day. They go get something where they feel be proud of, where you go give them respect even for America, and then black life go really matter. Me the black American, then they nobody even know about Ngabo massacre. They nobody even know about all those things them. So when they go start shed light on all those things, then they will be respected, because the white people they see how black life no matter for Africa, then they go ask themselves, say, why should it matter in America? In any case, we stand behind the black people then during this period of pain with the Guam for the gruesome killing of Floyd for inside America. So ladies and gentlemen, when I welcome, we will go straight for our program. As you know, we will always target the 1% most influential people them. They want to be a populist show, so they always go ahead to do our presentation regardless of the numbers, and we expect the influence will get me continue to be the same way we be, even with less and less airtime while they get them. The communication they get them for background and all those loyal supporters they may be very, very appreciated, and it make our be more effective, more encouraged to do our job. Yes, we need encouragement. No man no the way no need encouragement. Even though my style I prefer to be solo, so that I get a clear head for think them straight and for do them. It be more convenient for gang up and for do things in a group. It be more convenient. But I don't choose for be like a lone ranger and for begin to do things in my way, because I feel say I'd be more effective that way, and it give my follower then to that clarity, say I need to easily be influenced by politics, but I dey always stand for the principle the one I believe I stand for, and I will continue to do so as much as I can, and for collaborate with wonderful people them like Mr. Lucas Ansu. We are lucky to have somebody like that in Ambazonia. Even his job, he's a coach. He coach super rich people for a living, and we are very lucky to have somebody. When you talk with him, the perception, he understands human behavior, and he can understand the nature of the enemy we are fighting, and he's a big supporter of this platform as well. So we really encourage him. In Tapang Ivor as well as Bella, Abu Free, and all those people who are collaborating, and those people that are working behind, including even our communication department head, Mr. Frank Asaluti, John also one of our supporters. They always give us good write-ups, and some veterans of the Southern Cameroon. Then we thank them all for standing up for our back. So without much ado, we will go directly, because now almost 2 a.m. for Hong Kong time. We will go directly for our content for this episode today. We will start for pay tribute for Molanjo Litumbe. Njumba no be married. Passing Njumba no be married. Now Molanjo Litumbe dey one pay tribute for our pa. Na man way that always stand up strong for Ambazonia back, no matter what will happen. He be die on the 26th for this month for May, last month for May. So one pay tribute for ye. When I see him, I put some picture of up for here me gonna see am. Na person wey don stand for behind this struggle very very strong. Ma put a picture also with Seseko Ayoktabi. Will be more recent pictures so that we go first talk about Pa Mola Litumbe. As una know very well, Pa Mola Litumbe na the Pa when I bring this idea say Njumba no be married for talk say the marriage between La République du Cameroon and the Southern Cameroon territory it no be consummated according to the requirement of the United Nations where they be put am for the resolution for our independence. He be coined this argument saying Njumba no be married for show say the union between La République du Cameroon it lack any legal basis, and even though it be been a promise where the plebiscite be that agree for the United Nations be that validate the plebiscite, that marriage no be that ever take place because Cameroon government never signed a union treaty. So thank Pa Mola Litumbe for a wonderful job. Na man wey die for over 90 years. It shows say na man wey God damn bless you with peace. There are arrested so many times. It be been a tradition for inside Ambazonia say every 1st of October they can put Pa under house arrest. They don't carry numerous time go down for inside prison, release it back. During the time where Pa it be day, the time where the Pa will be win the case court for the Banjul court. Pa be decide for open a political party when at the LDA, Liberal Democratic Alliance, where Pa be the hope through a peaceful means for advocate for self-determination and for the restoration of the statehood of the Southern Cameroon back within La République du Cameroon. Pa be then visit all the so-called Anglophone prime minister them. He be visit them routinely to remind them of their sacred duty for their motherland and their state of the Southern Cameroon. So Pa nobody ever tired to do the work. Even for the last time when I be see for this coffin revolution, how he be done stand here and Seseko, how also he be give that mantle for Ayabacho when he be make that statement for Ayabacho. Say me Ayabacho he carry the mantle for lead the people of Southern Cameroon into outright independence will be happen for America. The Pa also during the time for 2014 before this revolution it won't start, they be invited, La République be invited for the Great Colloquium. The Great Colloquium will be to celebrate the 50th anniversary for the so-called reunification of the Southern Cameroon and La République du Cameroon. Pa Molanjo Litumbe be enter for the in front of Prime Minister. He boldly state and for they say in the United Nations there is no evidence that the union between La République du Cameroon and the Southern Cameroon meets the legal requirements as required by the United Nations, and this marriage between the two Cameroons na Njumba no be married. Farewell, Papa. We go miss you very much, but your wisdom they go still there with we. You don't show we the light, you don't point with the road for Boya, and we will continue to follow that road. So we will leave that one for Pa Mola Litumbe. We will leave am for you. We also have mentioned say Pa to be that write some book where the book will be titled Case for the Annexation of the UN British Trust Territory of the Southern Cameroon. That book probably released that book for the year 2011. So we want also take this moment to remind ourselves for the great job we our leader for Ground Zero the Duam, General Efang, a big number which the Duam make we remind ourselves regularly so that make we know our ADF, make we know our force. So we go play a moment of Meet the Peoples with General Efang so that make we begin see him. It remind me of the work.
I'm very happy when I come sometime, when I call with our brother and so they come together, when I talk together. But most of the time, when I come to someone, they ship about what they do.
So now see, now our general that for Ground Zero, this is the ADF, the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Whenever the general visit our campus to different places, he meet up with the local population and listen for them.
One time when I come so like the other day, I don't know about 2-3 days behind. Some colleagues they find will not say they go some place. We some we will be know that's how they go. But when they want come back, they shoot gun. When they shoot so, where we don't say we black cannot. When they take that granite, we fight with enemy. When they shoot us, they run. You want to see that the people they start to scatter, they fear all that kind of thing. Then we will look at so they find. You know the correct. There's a time when una come so una call people together, una make people una come or una share together with people. And if, but when they shoot guns, people they feel discouraged, people they disappear. They run. They say no, they don't understand. Sometimes they call it.
So now the population that our generals on the ground in areas where they control them, had General Efang, our leadership, they meet the people, them for talk with them, for find out the type of problems the way people that they go on, so that they feel intervene for help and for see how they feel make things and make them be better. One of the greatest danger where they face Ambazonian revolution, now the kidnapping for ransom where it can be proliferated by the Samuel Sako Ikome group, this infiltrator that make it spread with their policies of county by county, giving authority for people to collect taxes. It don't just make the thing down worse. And the ADF don't fight them high, very, very high. We don't take that job very, very seriously. We will see how we take out the people for Bamenda where they do those kidnapping for ransom. I want to inform the population, say the people for Bamenda, they don't see how the kidnapping for ransom, it don't cut more than half for around that side of Chobo where they can kidnap people, then they claim saying ADF. We don't also fight them for behind for back punch a day at the town and I think they would already do them. We don't do everything to stop those other boys and we don't reach out for them, educate them, and try to make sure say me the infiltrator they not use them for that purpose. Through that means we don't succeed a lot and most of the kidnapping for ransom it don't stop. And for sure, when I say we the people, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, we are very, very transparent. One of our soldiers too, he don't do kidnapping for ransom. The soldier now one of the not be general, I think a commander for Bambui and the Ambazonian Defense Forces, they called our soldier, now ADF soldier, he don't kidnap people them. General Efang he don't step up and they want to take other measures that will make sure say me that particular general he face our justice within our system for make sure say me the kidnapping for ransom is stopped. So the Ambazonian Defense Forces, our Secretary General, he done send a letter for that general for condemn the action the way they kidnap for ransom, and we call on he say me release those people the way then they in the captivity. So when I see him for the letter that way, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, Dr. Ayamba, our Secretary General, he done send for one of our commander, we dey for Bambui, we done kidnap some people them. We ask me release them. He try to deny the tonton. He need one take order. So he be on his own. He don't disobey order for release people the way they kidnap them. We don't reject them. Say the Ambazonian Defense Forces, we do not kidnap our people for ransom. We depend on mostly the diaspora for donations to buy our arms and to equip our boys, and on our people on the ground who do so on a voluntary basis. We do not kidnap for ransom, and whenever our soldiers are involved, if they are involved, we make sure we punish them, because that is not our character. We are the People's Army. We are fighting for you, the people in Ground Zero. We cannot send our own boys to come and kidnap you. If anybody come and kidnap you, contact me. This is my number. I am going to handle it personally and make sure that the general on the ground, they are on your case and get your person released. So when I see the letter and transparency that we condemn kidnapping for ransom for the ADF soldiers, we need to hide them. We are transparent because our motivation is be clean and clear. So when I see now the letter that the general named the case file, he did it, me all man know say we for the ADF we fight now for the people them, we represent now the people them, we be na donors them, we no can chop people their money, we need the parents for any my money, all man get the fine for the ADF. So we don't also hear say La République du Cameroon, one of their general where it be for their command center, it don't come for inside the Atlantic Savannah State plenty time. Now it be one of those where they be there for the forefront for the design the policy for La République du Cameroon, for burn down our villages them, for destroy our people them, for kidnap our people them, and for use terrorism for intimidate our people them, because they want to meet and stop their aspiration for independence. He don't die. The man na son general for na son colonel for La République where they call na Yebo Jean Paul. Yebo Jean Paul, he don't die of coronavirus. Na divine justice that for you, family no fit give you the kind barrier where they deserve them. So we'll be very happy for you. Say it and fall. Now the hand of God would not hear also, no be only ye would not see say for inside La République, even Brenda Bia would not hear say Brenda Bia when I know say that bikini get eye problem where it be incurable. who know will be sorry for using a pikin because we'll be na godly people then, but think the way parent do may be very difficult to sympathize with that family. We don't see how the pikin and come out, they cry. It dey like say to dan cash, kuro dan kashi, and it be in isolation. Papa, mommy, them be nowhere to be found. Me will play the video. We will think say it be already for social media. Almost all man dance here, but we'll play small one. Me gonna see her. Brenda Bia, it cry, it blow whistle. Wait for you to talk no day. It do another in hiding.
Regardez mon œil gauche, man. Avant le corona, j'ai vu mon docteur qui m'a dit que mes yeux allaient bien. M'a donné un nouveau traitement, plus léger. Il y a eu le corona. Il n'a pas pu voir si ce traitement fonctionne avec mes yeux ou pas. Aujourd'hui, je demande à ces gens qui ont mes ordonnances, donnez-moi l'ancien traitement, comme ça je peux traiter mes yeux. Ils ne me le donnent pas en sachant que je peux perdre la vue avec ce problème de pression oculaire.
So now the pikin that na popo e pikin that na Brenda Bia that he get an incurable eye disease and man go sorry for you na how no way a papa the waka keep people there anyhow and then you need to stand up for stock. You like pikin way you don't chop money for that country anyhow. Enter limousine, go for school. Where people they suffer, you need to think about which kind of charity work the way you don't do them. We dey see for Angola how president their pikin they try for help the people the way they suffer. See for Rwanda how they do things them. You dey for America, you don't see how life day. Brenda Bia. Wait for sorry you know day. Because of your papa problem them and your silence. Wait for sorry you know day. In the middle of war, you go begin bring musician from Nigeria. Me they come but they can't chop money. People they die from Gabu. See your eye now, you get uncurable disease. Do one no be na God the hand for day? Mango talk so wetty. In this your case, mango talk so wetty. Mango even look and send a pikin. Mango look and send a pikin. We go talk so wetty for the one. Now so we be na God fearing people for Ambazonia. So no go talk say me thunder fire you, but we go do talk say place where your party there and the bad thing the way they do am. Brenda, if you listen for me, if your friend and watch the video, they can't jam for you. Expose your power, free yourself. Expose your power, free yourself. Now only my word that will figure for you, Brenda. So for that Brenda 18, we will leave the Brenda 18 and the coronavirus. We don't hear say they drive away, they drive the Shantu Bia. Shanta Bia, when I remember say Shanta Bia na woman way na civil law married woman. Ira married na Bamenda boy for Mancon. They can't kill that boy. That time I be there for inside the BHS Mancon. We be there for boarding school tower and kill that boy. If we na news all man say and they can't kill it for broad for night for that road way they come up for Ntarinkun. They go right for Mancon day. Then catch that boy for road move and for inside moto, kill him. Go for the house, go destroy all evidence them. Because the one can carry a woman married, carry a woman go get for pobia. Now either na woman have a pobia, me pobia chop the woman now. When I hear say corona ran surely take them. Inside that palace, corona they do laverage. Just like God, if he send people that mean they can't talk for the Pharaoh. Pharaoh let my people go. The news don't come for ye. Through Harmony Bogba, it don't say later for pobia, let my people go. Moranjo litumberan te pobia, let my people go. It the only hula. There are send kind people then for ye. Patasan Wilfred can talk, let my people go. All man talk, let my people go. Seseko Ayoktabi, let my people go. Now Dr. Cho Ayabaran come now. He don't come now they collapse. God they give plagues. When they see say they attacking for La Republic for Koro, it be different with the one for Ambazonia. Koro plenty for La Republic pass Ambazonia. God they protect we for sure and say this war for coronavirus. So God he handed it for punishing people for La Republic. It go wipe all them soul before that coronavirus it go and finish for day. So my fellow country people them also run see for inside our capital city for the Atlantic state, the capital city for Ambazonia, Buya. Just when Abobala come out for follow it to where they switch the Switzerland HD, it they do for inside Ghana. How they can begin one teach our people them about human rights, no use violence, they can't talk the one and give them pamphlet them to teach them. Then send na Agbobalami can do the same thing for Ground Zero. He can carry pamphlet them. he go get for fighters then begin share so one of social media. When I say that I work at so one of some fighter for ground zero. He never even stay. After I do that one, then come for Baki office, La République du Cameroon, they come for Baki office, cash 4 picking them. Cash 4 picking them. Kill them for office or behind office map play the video more and see them. I don't blur the images then so that me Facebook no block me as soon as no say they target we. Now the images that for the picking them on see them. For behind Abobalai office, La République du Cameroon, they send a message for ye. Make you understand say the so-called national dialogue, even the so-called bribery and corruption where they do am. Pobia no first like me for Pobia he want to key all man. The bully Betty click them. They no get no mercy. Now people the way they be use them for destroy their own people for the Bambele case. That they be burn the Bambeleke villages, kill them for Bambeleke, can't catch the last one. NS Wani for Bafusam, they execute in front of picking them. Then all Bambeleke people them and Basa people then put their tape under their last, they run go hide. Now said they be take and win them. So then feel say they go do the same thing for we. Pobia do not want negotiation. The national dialogue, it be been at the idea for Diangote, Ian Kadena Tumi. Where the Rango Sute with Eli Smith, then the Rango beg the mad king of La Republique. Me just give them this dialogue so they go can calm me down. The only two who want time na so one be relevant. They go give you invitation them, or we go come out camp for Yaoundé. They go to talk for we will go back like Anglo fools them. Now they say they be feel. When I see Pobia no they in honor any deal way the prime minister make up. So make Abobalami then get the message clearly. We don't study the beast. We know the nature of the beast. They will hunt you down. They will kill you. The only solution way if you protect we na independent and nothing else. I is sorry Akwanga. I is sorry all this enabler them where they don't go join these people them. They were even talking of a enabler. This other one saw Foncha. Ma put a picture of up. They saw Foncha go get guts for contact me. Who's a picture there? The team really take the time contact me, send me message, audio message. The way he send for Dr. Liz for reply Dr. Liz. Now it is the model Ambazonia Army wanna be. Now they saw function that ma play the audio. Me wanna hear the audio where the man take him. You don't start talking like Republic du Cameroon their language. Ma play the audio for the soft function. We send the audio for me. And then they reply enablers. And then they talk with any man where they go sell a conscience, a betrayer, a traitor. And then they talk with them. And I block all of them. I don't know why I not be done block your own number for my phone. Ma play the audio we send for me. He be very proud for send the audio. Now the audio this ma play am.
And also taking into consideration that the diasporans who got involved in this fight because of their big degrees, their PhDs and whatnot, hijacked this quest for the right to self-determination, declared themselves leadership over the people on the ground, and
this body the smooth house kind thing, they smooth and banga on a waiting. Yeah, they saw puncher with big mob, the traitor. Talk say the diaspora they hijack. He start speak the language of the enemy. Say diaspora they hijack the leadership. Who tell you say the one rewrite history? Then if say over stupid will get a memory problem or waiting. The leadership was never hijacked by the diaspora. The leadership of the consortium was deliberately passed over to the diaspora because there is no way they could express themselves when they are being banned, when our territory have a military occupation. So it was not hijacked. Their idea somehow say the people then for abroad and get PhD. How many PhD they wait there for ground zero? How many PhD they for ground zero? Some stupid man. So he send the kind of message for me if he say I go be sympathetic them on Aweti. They requested the head on Aweti.
those amongst us who got into this fight for the right self-determination of our people
Yeah.
were meticulously marginalized.
So for so Foncha, he run struggle, go take bribe for La Republic because they marginalize it. Because he no get mob. He no they look Dr. Larry A. Young, he don't go shido quiet, he don't complain. They move it and sack it time for Siseko, like spokesperson. He never go shido quiet. When I never see the young activist, the vibrant guy that call that one away to self again, and I forget where they for Canada day. He don't leave his struggle because he no begin space inside interim government. He don't go shido quiet. But you saw Foncha. You don't tell Pikin a and carry gun. You don't come out and stand for front. You don't go abandon them. You become every day. Now, the man did lie. I know if you count how many times the way he don't call me lie, me say it go ground zero. Only for me for one turn for years say the next day he be there in a Caribbean island. He don't gather money, collect donation them. Carry and go to a Caribbean island. This say small shoot them. Some small hustle of America day. I'm not even sure they get full-time job because the modeling job then this is a part-time job then. Your part and first come lie, go take Foncha and name game for you. Because the one deceived the international community, the Ambazonian, they when they hear and they say Foncha, the officer you been a Foncha in Pekin or you get relationship with you. That very attitude will then take and give a name. Now that attitude now it reflect for your character. Enablers, sellouts, traitors. Who even talks sometimes that general self for that the matrix will die for inside the Atlantic stick. Now, you don't go say that one self before it take money, chop them. Because I saw that yes, and I said they do for that the disarmament committee. Say soldier they take money, chop them. We be done the suspect you for a long time, and people that never this struggle know which way they do them. But we don't decide to stay quiet because we feel say this the egg of see the whole way down. Say mo na no talk, capo Daniel no talk out, no talk out. Because the one come way down, the refuse of people they not be ready for years some kind of information them. But we get fire for people that will never release and we will know say they don't chop money for La Republic, both for ground zero and for abroad, and will never release them. And I see them every day, I look them every day, they do she don't quiet. One in the way that they come like activism, every day they look the same. I say, but why would they when I left me, they only hold my shirt for back, they hold my shirt for back. Say capo, left and so far, made down no push and strong. But when I know we know me very well. I been on a man who they fear. Would they observe them? Eventually, they will expose themselves. Eventually, they will expose themselves. The good news is that the righteous ones will keep standing. They will remain standing, and we have hope that Dr. Cho Ayaba is somebody who does not blink. And even the mistake that Siseko have made, but he's there for Ambazonia. He will never change. He will not betray us. I am sure of that. He will not betray Ambazonia. So long as these two leaders they stand strong, then Ambazonia hope for independence is alive. Even if they take away the two of them, they have a succession line which is going to maintain that principle that is going to lead us to freedom. So, my country people, then we will leave that one. We don't talk about the Buea issue. We want to talk now about this satanic nature of La République du Cameroon. A people who have no value for human being at all. We don't see the horrific scene them way come up for inside Douala. Horrific scene them. It pain me even though no be some ambassador that do that prison. Prison the born for inside Douala. Prison. Then get all chance. All chance and the personnel. If you look around there, you see the personnel was there. They could easily remove the prisoners in that Douala prison. Look at the prison. They could easily remove the prisoners there.
My country people them. La République du Cameroun na a satanic republic.
Look at the prison. Prison yard the burn. It burn the fire the burn. We ran try to interview some of the prisoners them. They ran tell we say they don't know where to start that fire because it be a mystery. But the thing I say fire the burn. Fire the burn inside prison. Where he gave a burn the prisoner for they alive. Then get all the chance, then call reinforcement, gendarmes and come for the. Therefore, if you move all that prisoners, them line them for that war for they meet the shit on for ground. They meet the sapir pompier and go do their job. but they left the people they made them born. Wicked people, evil people. When I see the images, terrible. See now then this man play this other one. See prisoner then they cry on top rooftop. When I help them. Why they not bring them all down with all that their guns them, point the gun them, surrender the prisoner, then save them their life from being burned alive. We never get the full pictures them for the so that the people that ram born inside that prison. But a very horrific thing, and it is show we say La République du Cameroon them, these people they not be people that will feel live together with them. These people have no value for human life. No value at all. We now also see for Bamenda, the Atlantic, the Savannah State, the great city of Bamenda. One nurse for Bamenda, he don't cry, he don't blow alarm about this wicked La République, where everything that for use and for go make money for abroad. We be done see say during the time for AIDS, where for HIV, the World Health Organization, if it one cut the aid we began for the country for AIDS patient them, the government start force people to do AIDS tests. Not because you want to help that people them, but because you want to use them the statistic for collect money for the WHO. We see the same thing now for coronavirus. They fake coronavirus deaths in order to receive grants from the World Health Organization. When I see some nurse, either we could blow alarm, shout for the whole war, me the whole war here where it happened for this satanic Republic of Cameroon. When I hear,
my dad died. They couldn't take care of him. In Cameroon, Bamenda Regional Hospital failed to provide my father with care, with oxygen. My dad could not breathe. The nurses are sleeping. I called. I'm having shock. I'm a nurse. I've cared for people. Shortness of breath and chest pain is emergency. But they told my family, be patient, be patient. And finally, my dad passed away. They did no coronavirus test. Immediately you have heart attack. You have been to the hospital. The next thing is you have coronavirus. My dad had no coronavirus. He had a heart attack. He was sick of chest pain. Simple aspirin. They couldn't give my dad. They gave him Levonox. Did my father have a fracture? Did my father have a blood clot? My father did not have any of that. Aspirin, chewable. Cameroon, all their coronavirus results are false and they are fake.
Una hear?
Any patient taken to any government hospital in Cameroon, even you syncope in front of a doctor, they will stick coronavirus on you.
Hey, that.
I'm advising each and everyone, if you have a family member, take your family member to a private hospital, take your family member home, let the patient die at home, don't take them to general hospital, don't take them to any public health care in Cameroon. They will kill them. They will let them die in vain.
Another year, na next that they talk, the Cameroon government, even hospital, they kill people. Na next they talk, they don't kill it by negligence. They don't kill it by negligence because they want to add the statistics say people that they die for coronavirus. Because the World Health Organization will give them loan, they don't give them grants. They go kill people them to take money for international community. Nothing that way they happen for that so-called Cameroon. Satanic country, people of no value. We cannot live with this type of people. We cannot live with this type of people. So now the thing now they see how it is. We don't also see for inside the Atlantic state, one of these Sako is surrogates them, it proxy forces them where La Republic user now. They call in Mombasa. It work hand in hand with Phil Masha. When I say Phil Masha is second in command, the work now La Republic du Cameroon directly. It even make video them. They actually just left Phil Masha for them because they already use it to go past. If they want bring it, maybe they keep on the last joker. So Mombasa, it wake up is send video. It is sent up for all high profile Ambazonians them. Say ADF the one kidnap people they go Kosala. Now only their own soldier you don't come out expose am. Ma play the video. Me gonna say who said the Mombasa. These people that they so Now a video this, you know, because say now say ADF they kidnap people them.
Okay.
Propaganda.
Yes, I beg one more Nasiam. I know about that way some park can get for me now. Yes, na Mombasa this Okusala. Some park can get number for me now. Say now so say if for your house night amber from boys and council they be amber them. They say they put the letter of a door, they knock going on up now. They put this number of a door, say they be amber them, they want support very fast. That's so they don't die, so one get injury.
So na ida na Mombasa. Na yeke I pikin and now the answer na Okusala me they can begin cause havoc. They come for day after he send the audio, this video, he send now na another write up say he go find that ADF so that they kill them. So what's what they do and they find a motive for go attack ADF. They can create all these lies. But thanks to the good education where people they get them, now only their so-called general when they go hire you for that place media for they like their own agent for they. Now that they are same general. He don't send audio for tell them say even Sako then sending Mombasa, them go catch it, not only themselves go catch Wuhan. Ma play the audio me when I hear their own general I go report the issue. I hear.
Yes. As you hear the voice. As you Mombasa. Yes, I don't lie you.
I salute all people. I salute house. I salute all fighters them for ground. I say when a place day. One for all for one. We for Kusala, the talk this talk for say me interim government.
When I hear it talk for interim government,
Yeah.
general.
Me Bishop John, Secretary of State for Defense for Ambazona. Me EA, me county chair for Meme, me it takes special note for this talk. It's
Now
say
their
it
own
put
hired
in order.
force
If
this is
in
stop
order.
send message for them.
We for Kusala don't suffer, and this suffer it get to end. And we for Kusala we vow will not ever betray this struggle. Now, why we since the beginning for this fight, we didn't for our houses. We didn't for our houses.
When I hear what you go talk about the
So
ADF
the
general
talk
for
say-
Kusala, when I hear
4 years today when this fight don't go. Last burial, the supreme leader for Kusala from Tanzanian fighter
when I
and
hear
boys them covering.
last burial na the ADF general for Kusala, me talk for them about who that man be. When I hear again,
4 years today when this fight don't go. Last burial, the supreme leader for Kusala from Tanzanian fighter and you boys them covering. They don't guide us very well. We don't hear all kind guns.
when I hear the ADF, then they provide them leadership inside there for that Kusala for the past 4 years. For the past 4 years.
We don't hear all kind shooting. Last burial for going to 4 years ready for Kusala. I'm not sure say 10 people they fed no ye. And now we in the worker. In the commode. Even me what even talk so I don't know ye. I never ever me talk on ye. But a good work, it make I know ye. We not get problem because when a boys them come out, they tell we say we stay for our houses. We stay for our houses. They caution us. They instead advise us how to do things. But few months ago,
When I hear
some new groups that don't come for Kusala.
now the group this way Mombasa and bring extra Kusala.
These ones,
When I hear what say they
they
do,
work out with guns. Since this year, they don't over-terrorize us.
when I hear,
Every day.
when I hear,
Every day. From one house to another. And when you want to talk, they will label you now, say you be black leg. They will create motives.
Now the Sakoi people
They carry you go bush.
Anti-revolutionary activities.
They don't take a lot of people then go bush.
Anti-revolutionary activities.
Now they tell you how much you will give them. Call 250,000, 200,000. People will see every day, where they know they work no nothing. They will just sit there for how you want to see they don't open your blind with guns.
Now the year
in front of you, your children and your picking, and they take on just open the blind enter. We dey make this message for semi-interim government take note. Me Bishop John, Secretary of State for Defense for Ambazonia, me he take note.
Me the year on a tell them.
Say we for Kusala we don't decide.
On a year.
Say our leader, we don't lead us for the past 3 years. He never ever betray we. Either we stand for him back for support him.
Confirm.
Any fighter we know they under here. If you bring a which kind gun,
confirm.
We go hold you and we will call you. Now you can't take you for a hand.
So now here, when they go catch those their infiltrators agents, those their HD agents, they go call now the ADF. Now the system go catch and call ADF commander. Me can decide their fate.
From tomorrow Sunday, any fighter we call yourself so you be fighter, we one can intimidate us with gun. We go rally hold you. We call us parent. And you boys and men they can't take you. So with the Bex immediate message, he reached them. They don't can impose a new general for Kusala. We will not know. There be new mission commander there. We don't know. But they are working for our houses. If you imagine, say, a whole pregnant woman, a woman with the breastfeed, they want to take it go bush for palava money. They will come your house, they don't change some strategy. Now they come down from 7 p.m. Yesterday they work out for 5 different houses.
They're the same kidnappers.
Now the fight be that.
Kidnappers.
Now the fight be that. Now the fight be that. Now when I choose to go for bush. Now when I choose to go for bush. So now we go for bush now for can turn against us. And they ask whether now we be the people you now the fight now. But when I took it for no say now we get one for bush. Now we get one two for bush.
So when I here, now the spirit that will want me all the fighter of ground zero then get up. Now the spirit that will expect say me the so-called Bui warriors where they run turn now the butchers of Bui me then get up. Say when these infiltrators them for abroad, Elvis, then call them, Sako Anu then call them, say una destroy una own brother. Una tell and say if and we know ye na a hero, na mawe na give we gun. Na say General Chacha be supposed to reply them. Na say they supposed to reply them. Isobu can't take example. Isobu you hear. When they sending me go kill Ebube, me go kill Hassan, me go kill Capo. The reply when you supposed to give for this infiltrator and these agents of La Republique. Now say you know Capo. Capo no be a traitor. Now say you know Ebube. Ebube na a fighter where he done the fight for inside Bui for these past 3 years. Tell them say na say they. That is supposed to be the type of unity we have. Not be say unity and I say you must bring someone for your side. You must bring someone. No. When I get on man gay group, if you want to get on a group. If you want to get on a lie government, when I go make on a lie government, they do on a lie things. They call on a lie titles, exaggerated titles, no problem. But me una no can begin disturb we would want to attend for fight against La Republique. Una no interfere. Now say it's supposed to be unity in purpose. We never ever force any group me be under we. As a matter of fact, when una come by our general, we let them and go in peace. Una they go come back for can attack we because say una know say the thing where una they do not before we, na for La Republique. So now the thing that way happen inside Kosala. Now very good example of Ransiam for the general for Kosala in the camp. We also talk about the atrocity where La Republique du Cameroon do and the act of state-sponsored terrorism where La Republique do. Video and this way they don't send na for where our people that were ground zero they don't carry video send na for inside that their so-called cabal for interim government way na infiltrator and they don't know say they work now directly for La Republique. would I also get back this audio, this video them? Now true La Republic the Cameroon the informer then the same video. Make una ask una self for ground zero. Why una the same thing never Sako it go come back now for La Republic them? Una ask una self. Why the ADF people when they send their video they come on for Ambazonia their platform them? The one I go take another place where they send for me for dinner from La Republic their place. So when I sending them for inside the so-called interim government, it go come up for La Republic to come around their hand. When I check sense. But in any case, I will play the video because I have very good journalism work where the ground activists do for show we the images and what nobody see am Ndonga Mantung for La Republic du Cameroon the atrocity the way they commit over there. La Republic du Cameroon, their terrorist forces they enter for Ndonga Mantung, go destroy a small health care center where it be supported by the Baptist Church, burn them down for no good reason.
We are here in Biti Village, and the purpose of our coming down here is to come and view and see some of the atrocities that have been destroyed by the Republic aggressive military with some of the enablers in our brothers and sisters villages, which is like loose that they came here escorting the military in order to destroy things that since the beginning of this struggle that the enemies have not entered here to destroy. So we have come here now to video it and to send it to the world and see what not only the military but what our brothers are doing, which is the neighboring village, are also doing to us. So
if complain now about the blue warriors so they become they can disarm their fighters every day.
In this our community. So thank you. I want to give this chance now to the brothers in the village, which is the people that are reciting here, that they can be able to speak with themselves what happened in that particular day, in that present money that the enemies and the La Republic forces enter and did in that particular money. So brother, you can come in and show. As I see, we'll be marching to the buildings now.
I want to appreciate my beloved brothers who have come to share in our sorrow and griefs. Actually, today makes 1 week as we are leading to see the destruction which was caused by the aggressive La Republic forces.
When I see what La Republic do
of all this calamity,
that the citizen and that they talk
which we have never experienced. As you can see, the attack took place on Saturday, May 16, very early in the morning. Started with gunfiring randomly, shooting domestic animals, scaring the population. This is the lab chairman, and as we can see, this is the lab post, the primary health care, which was donated to this village by the Cameroon Baptist Health Board to subsidize health care to the neighboring villages along the Donga River. So this building has completely been destroyed by the aggressive forces. There is nothing we can recover from this building, and the population of this village together with the neighboring villages are all exposed to illnesses and diseases. Following this attack, there is no way people from this village can go to neighboring villages for health care. And so with the season we are currently facing, we are in the summer season. Insects like mosquitoes and Thetis fly are common in this region. So we are just telling the world that what we have undergone, we cannot bear it at the community level. Where we are, we have no way to run to for help or for rescue. They have promised more attack in the days ahead, and so we are completely helpless. This is just what we can see for the moment. As you can see, the entire population have run into hidings, into the bushes. You can see this woman carrying a basket. She has come to see whether she can pick up some foodstuffs and disappear into the rocks up the mountain. So the village is completely abandoned. There is nobody around. The few people we can see are those who are courageous enough just to come and see whether they can pick up one or two things. So this is the present situation we are facing at the moment. These are some of the documents that we were able to lay hands on, but nothing can be done about it because the greater part of it has been burnt by fire. In this room, one of our boys was caught and martyred. He was killed, he was tortured, molested, and the corpse was so difficult to be identified. We were able to only identify him from the back view. The face was unknown.
A military.
In fact, he was totally
going
destroyed.
around burning people.
This room was set ablaze after his arrest.
They
His
catch the boy, burn him around.
Tuesday the 19th, 2 days after the attack. So the village now is in total fear. We don't know
atrocities of a monstrous regime.
The next thing that can happen to us, our faith is only with God. In fact, there is nothing we can do. We can see bullets that were fired against the wall just to see that they find their ways in. These holes were bored by bullets.
And you look the other video, there's another video.
As we can see,
they attack a family of one of the Amber boys. They go to the family. He's not living in that house. They come and attack the house, burn down the house.
Managing in this roof in order to survive, but her house completely has been burned down, and she's very upset. As I'm saying, they are on their way, went seeking for refuge in various bushes now. And I don't know, Mara, do you have anything to speak? Good.
Where? Where?
She have nothing to speak because, in fact, it's unbearable to her.
Where are they for Uton? Then now all my picking the baby for their house. Luckily, where they be still for their house we for outside. And then we just kill the off her house. Then as the one come down now, so I can't see how they know who came in for us. They pick all the market, they don't pick the important car go them. They take the remaining one, the burner for us. Then that
looting.
We come out for that Amber boy, so now to my brother. Did you know about me? Then now my brother, then now I don't lost again one begin. They know about
they can't keep picking for house because he brought an Amber boy.
Thank you so much. As you can hear, before you speak it out, the boy that was
it's
killed,
a war crime.
The Amber boy that was killed is the same her son. And also the house has been burned completely. She's completely empty. Not only how people in this village are crying, and many have been run away, has been escaped away to the bush because of the hearing of that the soldiers are still coming in order to kill and to destroy. So IG, you are hearing, people are hearing what we are able to explain to you. As I'm now inside the house explaining, showing people the videos of how the house has been burned down completely, things have been burned. It's unbearable. It's unbearable. It's unbearable, as I'm saying. It's unbearable.
This is collective punishment.
These are some of the rooms.
So
completely down.
My fellow Ambazonian, when I see the demonic nature of the beast, the demonic nature of the colonizer, the demonic nature of the La République du Cameroon terrorist forces. These are the reasons we cannot stay with these people. We cannot stay with these people. And I will just take, because I've promised so many times about this issue with Maurice Kamto. He is such a big player for La République. They are using him in major diplomatic push. And we cannot ignore the things he says. And I will challenge him. We know Maurice Kamto. Let me play the video that he addressed our issue. He was putting some sort of a policy statement about the Ambazonian crisis.
La légitimité des réclamations.
Oui, je crois que c'est un débat technique. Non pas que vous ne puissiez pas comprendre la technique, qui prendrait beaucoup de temps à expliquer ici. Me poser la question de cette manière demanderait que j'aille aux origines. Non pas jusqu'en 1884, on peut simplement prendre le fait très rapidement qu'en 1884, il y a un État qui est né qui s'appelle le Cameroun avec K. Et qui est à presque 800 000 km². Nous n'en avons plus que 475 000 km. Ça me prendrait beaucoup de temps pourquoi nous n'avons que 475 000. Et c'était
because of lack of time, I know go left Maurice Kamto me continue to talk the lies and way they don't want try to bring him. When are the narrative we the one bring him, for can push him down our throat for Ambazonia. But the tribal talk say the Cameroon be before the Cameroon came, before it can change to German. All those are normal lie the way they talk and be the one refine them now for can swallow and made one be na the final narrative for our history. Now just wrong. I want make them understand something. Maurice come to first of all na person way then teach the person way teach a little bit of English law. Na Diangote when they be the fight for the case for Bakassi, na he really teach about international law will be mostly based derived from the English law. So na person we don't take class from Anglophones. Most of the Francophones they get small brain now because they don't get good friend of Anglophone where they teach them. So I will tell Diangote, I will tell una also this small thing me stick for una head because that knowledge na power. As the Bible they talk, my people die because of lack of knowledge. I'll give you some basic knowledge about the lies the way La Republic is talking. What's where they call and say the Cameroon with K, the German Cameroon. The German Cameroon was a property of Germany. According to the international law at that time, it was during a period of imperialism. During the period of imperialism, the law of international law allow for countries which have developed into nations. A nation would be a country that have a method of record keeping, a method of exchange. That means they have a currency of exchange. They have an army. They have a system of judiciary. They have a culture that will identify them as a nation. All those empires, they had rights to go to other places and conquer them and acquire territories. So the German Cameroon was never existed before the German made it German Cameroon, according to international law. So the German Cameroon, the sovereignty belonged to German. That is why when in the Treaty of Versailles, they never consulted the local people because it was not their property. They asked for the German government to surrender its sovereignty. So what Maurice Kamto should understand about the principle of sovereignty. German Cameroon is not Cameroon with C. It's not Cameroon with C. The Imperial Germany, they got that land. You gain sovereignty by protectorateship. That means by they sign treaty with the local chief or you acquire it by conquest. The German government acquired that land by force, by conquest, which was allowed during that time by law. A country could conquer another country and seize their territory and control it. It was allowed. That was international law. They call it expansionism during the time of imperialism. So the German acquired that territory called the Cameroon with K through conquest and some protectorate treaties. You had two big German companies that was already installed there. You have the Bremen company and the other one that was there. At that time, the German Chancellor von Bismarck decides to lay claim and send a gunboat, his military people, to come and take over that territory. They installed their capital in Buea and later move it in Yaoundé. That territory did not belong to the locals. They seized it by force and it belongs to Germany. So there was nothing like Cameroon with C. The Cameroon with C and the Southern Cameroon, which were classified as category B territories, started to exist in international law, started to exist only in 1916. They did not come about by the German people, the white people going and sit in Versailles to go and divide the land. No, it was conquered in war. The German Cameroon was conquered not by British and France, but by Britain Empire, the French Empire, and the Belgium Empire. These three empires, they joined forces, attacking from north, the Belgium, attacking from the Equatorial Guinea and Central African Republic, the French troops, attacking from Nigeria was the British troop, including the Ghanaians troops and Indians. We also had local resistance from Bafut, who joined the British people to fight. We had local resistance who did not want the forced labor of the Germans, who also fought against the Germans to make sure they had that victory. During the victory, before that victory, there was a treaty that was signed by the German. By the German, they call it the German and the French people. It was called the Treaty of Fez, F-E-Z. That treaty legalizes the German K as an international entity before they lost it in war. So after the war, the Cameroon with K was not divided. It was partitioned. It was not shared on papers. It was partitioned according to the laws of war, according to the spoils of war. Go and teach Maurice Kamto. They did not just come and say, British, you take one side, France, you take one side. It was not divided into two. It was divided into 5. So every time somebody tell you that Cameroon was divided into 2, they are struggling to twist you into that wrong narrative. It was shared into 5. Part of the territory went to the Belgium, who fought and conquered it. It was added to Congo. Part was added to Gabon. Part was added to Chad. Part was added to Central African Republic. The rest map, the remaining 2 territory were now, according to the law, because some of those territory have historic consideration, and those people, according to those, the historic alignment, fought against the Germans so well, and the British people lost a lot of blood there. They said that this area of Cameroon, this British side, will be separated, will have its own territory. The other territory was given to French Cameroon, and French Cameroon started to exist in 1916. 1916, after the German lost the war. The 1916. So in the war, the British troops, the French troops, and the Belgian troops are not. I don't need to tell you people that one. That one does not. It doesn't matter. So in the Paris Peace Conference, they shared it according to international practice. The British side that won on war, the territory that the British people won it on war was given to them. The one the French won it on war was given to them. And later on, you have the Anglo-French Inter-Cameroon Boundary Treaty in 1920. That means the French Cameroon and the Southern Cameroon, they demarcate their border and sign treaty to acknowledge that this is your territory, this is my territory. 2 independent territories, they had nothing to do. The historical ties did not exist anymore. The German Cameroon with K did not exist anymore. For the 40 years we were living in Nigeria, it did not exist. As a matter of fact, the German with K did not exist for more than 40 years. As long as Southern Cameroon was attached, we were attached to Nigeria for a longer period than the German Cameroon with K existed. So their basis, that the German Cameroon is basis for unity, is wrong under international law, is a farce and is a fraud. Maurice Kamto should be told that by anybody. Go and tell him that it is Capo Daniel. I'm a self-made PhD holder of law and political science. I declare myself Professor of Political Science in Ambazonia. Who want try me? With all the research that we have done, it's just need that you should come and confirm it with. I have assured they should go and pay some white man university to give me honorary professorship because I deserve it. I get sense pass king. I'm a sense pass king. Even with my 2 years in law school studying law and political science, I've self-studied and I declare myself Professor of Law and Political Science. Who want try me? So, my fellow Southern Cameroonians, at this juncture, coming to the end of this program, I want to talk about the first War Council meeting we had. We have had our first War Council meeting, and I'm very happy that the Commander-in-Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, Dr. Cho Ayaba, have accepted for us to continue to pursue our policy of the sleepless night that we have been carrying on in the Atlantic state, in the Savannah states, particularly in Bamenda. It is a very costly operation because it requires a lot of bullets and a lot of operations. He have approved that we should continue it. It still fits very well in our plan for our liberation and our war, our roadmap. I'm very, very happy with that. And I want to urge you people to donate more. To donate and make sure this thing happens. We just have too much responsibilities. So many groups are coming to work with us and we cannot handle them without your finances. We need you. We need you to vote us with your currency. To vote us with your currency so that we can drive this thing to Buea. I'm also encouraging the people in Ground Zero. I want to first of all thank those who have been given intelligence, particularly in Bamenda, and to encourage that we need more intelligence. I've given an ultimatum to the so-called, the imposed mayor to Bamenda. He has run away from his house. He does not go to where he used to go there to Sonak Street and meet and sit there and relax himself. We are going to arrest him. We are going to arrest him for challenging the people's ghost town. We are going to stop taking a passive approach towards him. We are going to arrest him. Anybody that have information that can lead to his arrest should contact me and I will give him a cash reward so that he will be arrested duly. They come and do that and nonsense and run. And we are saying the same thing to the mayor in Dok. He's hiding somewhere, he's nowhere to be found, and he's sending nonsense later trying to affect the Ghost Town Day. Ghost Town is sacrosanct. Anybody that will open his store will know what chakara the whole country because of one man. You have to answer questions to our forces in Ground Zero. Once more, would one call the commander where he did for inside Bambui, where he done kidnap when an ADF commander, would one condemn him? Join the voice of the SG, Mr. Yamba, for condemning me. They release those people. The ADF do not kidnap. And we are not shy of to take responsibility of our soldiers, and we are telling that commander to release that people that he has kidnapped now. We cannot fight against our own people. We cannot allow kidnapping for ransom. That is not who we are. We stand behind our code of conduct. General Efang abides with our code of conduct, and that is what we apply. He should release those people as soon as possible. He should comply with the order that we have given him. If he does not comply, he's going to face consequences in Ground Zero. So may God bless Una, keep Una strong, bless our commander at the Ground Zero, and make our revolution be short. May our independence, freedom, democracy be in Ambazonia forevermore. God bless Una. My name is Capo Daniel. Ciao.